Did you know that just by following your excitement, you will always be in the right place at the right time? The excitement that you have is your intuition, which is your higher self. It's guiding you to your desires. Our intuition is our internal compass, our internal GPS system that aligns us to our highest path of happiness. When you follow your excitement, you will notice that everything works out perfectly no matter what. You don't even need to consciously manifest or do affirmations. If you're just listening to your excitement and what makes you happy and following that, you will always be on the perfect path, the perfect and most direct path to get all of your desires and a bunch of things that you didn't even know that you wanted. And that's exactly how I've been living most of my life. My entire life, I've been a psychic intuitive medium. So basically, that means I have a really good connection with spirit, with my guides, with the angels, with the universe. I ask and I receive and I go with the flow. And just in these past few years, I have learned about the law of assumption and then put it all together, because now it makes sense, because you do pick the frequency, the reality that you want to experience with your thoughts. But you can also connect in with your guides in the universe and your higher self, and everything works out that way as well. For example, one year when I was in Mexico for Christmas and I couldn't come back into Canada because of the pandemic and everything, I wasn't doing anything. I was not manifesting. I wasn't consciously manifesting anything. I was just going with the flow. And I met someone and they invited me to an all-inclusive 5-star luxury hotel for like 2 or 3, maybe it was 4 weeks. I don't know. It was a really long time. And I wasn't even doing anything. I was literally just like hanging out. I was like, yeah, mom, I can't come home for Christmas. Kind of sucks. Miss you guys. Love you. And then I was just like going to the gym, doing my thing. Randomly met someone, got invited, and it was like such an awesome time. Everything paid for. It was an amazing Christmas that I'll never forget. I wasn't alone, which I was kind of worried about being alone for Christmas because I didn't know anyone where I was. I was hopping around Mexico by myself, didn't know anyone, just doing my own thing, meeting local friends, and everything always turned out perfectly for me. Way better than I could even possibly imagine or even try to manifest, because I listened to my excitement. I was like, well, that seems exciting. Today I'm gonna go do that, and everything works out. I get free food, I get amazing experiences, I meet amazing new friends. I just listen to my intuition, and I'm always in the right place at the right time, because that is your internal guidance system. And even when you are consciously manifesting something, you need to listen to your intuition, because that allows you to be in the right place at the right time, always. Your intuition and your excitement is your GPS from the universe saying, go right, go left. It's like Siri. The universe is Siri working through your intuition to put you in the right place at the right time to receive all the amazing, wonderful things that were meant for you. Listen to your intuition and your excitement, and you will always be in the right place at the right time. Make sure you're following me for more. Much love.